The president of MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has congratulated Dr. Musa Aliyu Adamu on his recent appointment as the new chairman of Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC). Until his new appointment, Dr. Adamu Aliyu was the Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice of Jigawa State since September 2019 and holds bachelor, master's, and doctorate degrees in law. He was also named as a Senior Advocate of Nigeria designated in October 2023. The congratulatory message was contained in a statement personally signed by Professor Gwarzo and made available to newsmen in Kano on Sunday. Professor Gwarzo, who is also the president of the Association of African Private Universities (AAPU, noted that the appointment of Dr. Adamu Aliyu was well-deserved in view of his wealth of experience. He said as a Senior Advocate of Nigeria, SAN, as well as his track records of service, he said no doubt the new ICPC chairman would deliver on his mandate. He also expressed confidence that the new ICPC chairman, who served as the Attorney General of Jigawa State for 4 years, would be above board in the discharge of his assignment. With your skills and experience, I have no doubt that you will continue to serve your country with diligence as you move along your path, Professor Gwarzo said in a statement. He prayed to Almighty Allah to continue to guide and give the new ICPC chairman the wisdom and strength to steer the agency to greater heights.